What's up, traders? Happy Halloween. It's October 31st, 2021, and this is a weekly outlook video. I got my pirate Blackbeard hat on, super hyped up, just watching crazy football game with my team, Tennessee Titans. So want to get this out here to you before the market start here in about 20 minutes. And while I was watching the game, I was going through and looking through the dollar pairs because it's going to be a big week for data this week, so keep that in mind. Got Forex Factory pulled up here. We're going to get it's the first week of the month, so of course NFP is going to be on Friday. We also have some inflation data coming out, which is all we've been hearing about is inflation, because we should be, because if you've been getting gas or rental prices or groceries, everything is going up. But we also have RBA rate statement, also NZD, which has been super strong, unemployment. So this is going to be big. Non-farm employment, then PMI, inflation. Wednesday is going to be huge because we had the FOMC also making a statement, and then Thursday you might want to chill out trading the pound. I don't know. I will definitely watch it and probably try to make some trades after it, but I will not be trading before this happens because that's going to be super crazy, super volatile. Also, OPEC. So why is this significant? Even if you're just trading Forex and not just oil, well, we have Canadian dollar. CAD's been on a huge push to the downside, very strong. And they are one of the top exporters of oil. So expect some moves from Canada on Thursday. And then Friday, of course, we have CAD unemployment, and USD, USA, non-farm employment, non-farm payroll, and unemployment. So, man, it's going to be a massive, and this could, who knows, this is a little wild card here. But so it's going to be a massive week for data. So keep that in mind if you're trying to, create a bias on the market. Let me put it that way. So I'm looking at, we're going to go to the 4 hour here. Aussie been in a huge uptrend. We're divergent on the momentum here. This is just the standard momentum settings. And, we have been at this top here, and we'll see if we'll start to push lower. But Aussie not so clear. AN, we had a huge rejection on Friday, but I'm also looking to play this alongside. We went over that in the accelerator call on Tuesday, which is a slow moving pair, but we are kind of going sideways here, so we'll just have to wait and see. I mean, if you look at in the 4 hour, we could still be making a move higher. So still going sideways though. So CAD yen. So I mentioned the CAD, all of these yen pairs specifically, if I go over here to the hourly, we're already below the 200 SMA. GJ, worth mentioning, well below it. So I'm going to be looking for some opportunities on these yen pairs, specifically GJ, hopefully before Thursday, because what I would like to do is get in an entry Monday tonight, maybe, I don't know, we'll see, but Monday, Tuesday, here on, we'll just go right here, something like this. Shit, there we go, there it is, some sort of entry around here. And then what the ideal scenario would be is that we'd already be moving largely to the downside, bearish, and then that huge rack of news comes out on Thursday, and that could be the potential of a 200-300 pip trade. So we'll be looking at that. Now let's take a look at EURUSD. Right, so huge breakdown here. I'm going to go to my hourly preset. Big rejection. It looked like we were making a recovery, but this is going to be a good opportunity now to look for opportunity to get in short. So be on the lookout for potential dollar strength going into the FOMC on Wednesday. Now, like I said, markets could be going either way, because it's going to be a crazy, crazy week. GU, same scenario. We had a clear uptrend and then a big breakdown. So this could go very hand in hand with an opportunity to sell a rally going into the news cycle, specifically Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. NU also trading heavy. We're holding this right now. We just came back and retested our entry point. So I sent that signal out there on the trade setup here on Thursday. So if you're holding that, this looks pretty solid. You may want to wait. If you're not, for an entry, maybe we revisit 71.85-ish, which could also be a great opportunity. Dollar CAD moving sideways here after a massive, massive downtrend that lasts since the start of October. So the whole month, I would be on the lookout, though, for retest of these lows for a potential entry to the long side. So we've got some huge setups this week. Let's take a look at NJ. Also going sideways, but looking bearish. Potential for bearishness is there. EJ as well. This is a great trade from almost hit. We hit our 100 pip target, but didn't quite make the 120, but still holding that out. But I would like to get some sort of move back to this 200 SMA, which would provide a great reentry point if you are trading with the momentum, my indicator, which would look like, sorry, we got switched over on templates here, but which would look like a cross, and then opportunity for reentry, something like this. Boom. Somewhere around that envelope will be a great setup. Maybe we'll get a pullback in risk and then look for some risk off going into Tuesday's trading session. So it's going to be a big week, everybody. Keep in mind the data coming out. I appreciate you. Let's crush it. If you want to trade live with me in the accelerator group with my EA, which I'm just working as much as I can behind the scenes to get the bugs out on it, but I've been crushing it with a pretty amazing strategy, which gives you the opportunity to have a tool. It's not the end all be all. That doesn't really exist in trading. There's no silver bullet, despite what people would try to say, but using it in conjunction with your own analysis, with the accountability of a group, and then being able to manage your risk accordingly, which is what it does more than anything. Getting that trade psychology sound is a game changer. So if you're interested in that, click the link below, fill out the form, and let's crush it this week, everybody. I'll see you in the chat room. Peace.